All right. Here is a full dashboard about our customers. The only informations we have here is actually the customer information. So right now you can see top 5 customers by gross profit, by revenue, by quantity ordered. So it changes based on whatever we select from here. And you see right here is giving us the profit by customer age group. So which particular age bucket is giving us the highest revenue and which one we should focus on and which one we should improve. So this part here is the total profit by customer country. So we actually delve more on profit than revenue or transaction. So we have the profit by country. The most profitable country now, as we can see, is actually USA with 65%, followed by Mexico with 28%, and Canada 7%. So here we have the top 5 profitable cities in Canada, Mexico, and USA. That actually depends on what we have selected from here. If I select Mexico right now, it's going to give me the top 5 profitable city in Mexico. If I select Canada, it's giving me the top 5 profitable cities in Canada. Okay, I think this one is less. I'm gonna have to go ahead and get this. Sure, it's correct actually. Top less profitable cities in Canada. So where we are having less profit from is this here. If you select USA, you see it. And once you clear the filter away from here, what happens? So you have the top 5 from the 3, countries we have, our sales going, through. You get that? So now you can see some of the cards here that actually holds having transaction, average order, returns, revenue, gross profit, transaction, products, store, and customers, right? And right here is actually an M code that helps you to actually get the last day of refresh here. So we're going to actually create all this together. So all you have to do is to stay tuned and see how we can actually bring those particular, charts, background, colors, text, and as well the cards, how we can actually make them to look just like this.